What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Be careful down in the comment section of the videos. A lot of spam, a lot of scammers. I will never ask you to contact me by WhatsApp or Telegram. I also do not invest money for my subscribers, so please be careful. Don't get yourself scammed. If you want up to 12 free stocks, Webull is going to give you up to 12 free stocks when you open a new Webull brokerage account. Put at least $100 in that brokerage account. They're going to give you up to 12 free stocks for just trying out their brokerage app. There's a link down in the description box of the video. Click on that Webull link. Open up your new Webull account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. I'm going to also send you a Webull tutorial video to help walk you through how to make your first trade on the Webull app. All you got to do is send me a DM on Instagram at RichardFane28. Let me know you've opened your Webull account, you've funded your Webull account, and I'm going to send you that Webull tutorial video so you can start building wealth. I spent a lot of money over the years, guys, on cars. I mean, a lot of money. And when I look back and I think about what my net worth would be right now had I not spent so much money on cars. So I've made the decision, no more cars. And I'm going to take the money that I would have spent on new cars and I'm going to double down on the stock market. I'm going all in, 100% in equities, getting myself ready for this new bull market we're about to go into in 2024. The cars are a depreciating asset, and I've always known that. But personal enjoyment is important to me as well. That's the reason I got 3 cars. No one really needs 3 cars. 1 car is sufficient, and I know that. But I've indulged myself, but that stops today. No more cars. What do you think about that decision? You guys in favor of that decision? You're against that decision? More importantly, what are you going to do with your cars? Especially you folks out there that got multiple cars like I do. You gonna keep them? You gonna sell them? Or are you gonna buy new cars again? Or would you rather put that money in the stock market, put that money in other investments to build wealth? You gotta make a decision, guys. The clock is ticking. And for me, I made my decision. I ain't buying no more cars. Now, I'm not going to sell the ones I got. That's probably going a little too far for me because I'm at a stage, like I said, I'm all about that personal enjoyment. And these cars do bring me a level of personal enjoyment. But one thing I will tell you, if I had no other alternative when it comes to investing in assets to build wealth, I definitely would sell 2 of them. Got to keep 1 just for transportation needs, but I definitely sell the other 2. Fortunate for me, I'm not in that situation. I'm in a situation where I've already built a certain level of wealth, so I'm able to keep my cars. They're paid off. I don't owe any money on any of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep them. But no more Ferraris, no Lambos. Not for me. That $200,000, $300,000, $400,000 I'm gonna spend on those types of cars. Whew. Can you imagine what my net worth is gonna be in about 5 years when I put that $200,000, $300,000, $400,000 into the stock market and let it just compound over the next 5 years, especially with this new bull market coming? Net worth gonna be crazy. So that's what I've decided to do. No Ferrari, No Lambo, no McLarens. Giving them all up, man. I do got a Porsche 911 GT3 99 1.2. Bought it in 2019, brand spanking new. I'm gonna keep that one because I think that car right there is an asset that will continue to appreciate in value. I paid $157 for it. Right now it's probably worth $195, and I've had it 4 years. So it's appreciating in value. Like I said, I don't owe any money on it, so I'm not paying any interest to the bank for a loan. That's a keeper. The BMW M5, that's a 2020. I bought that pre-owned. Don't owe anything on that. And then I got the Range Rover SVR. That's a great truck, daily driver. It's a monster, 575 horsepower, 500 pound-foot of torque. It's a beast. I'm gonna keep that one because that's the daily. My Ferrari 458 was amazing, but I'm not buying into those kind of cars anymore, man, spending that kind of money. I'm getting into the golden years of my life, and I'd rather put that money in the stock market and double it, triple it. We're in a prime situation where the Fed is going to be reducing these short-term interest rates in 2024, in my opinion. They're going to start reducing them slowly, but they're going to start reducing them. And once that happens, I think it triggers the new bull market. And I want to be well invested prior to that. So that's what I'm gearing this money up for, that I would be spending on a new supercar. I'm going to put that money in the market, man. I'm going to go ahead and build this wealth. And I would tell you guys, if you're thinking about buying new cars anytime soon, especially expensive cars, look at the math, man. One, you're going to be paying a high interest rate. And as soon as you drive the car off the lot, it's going to depreciate by 20%. And then probably 10 or 15% every year thereafter. Think about that money if you put it in an S&P 500 ETF that tracks the S&P 500 index. Think about that money in there. Instead of it depreciating, it will appreciate in value. I'm just telling you, you give it some thought. Don't be buying no more new cars, man. If you got a car that you already own and it's dependable and you can get around in it, keep it forever. Keep it till the engine fall out of it. Because there's no better opportunity right now than to pull all your financial resources and get yourself ready to build some wealth, man. And the only way you're gonna do that is you gotta be invested. And again, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not telling you what you do with your money. I'm just telling you, if you wanna multiply your money, buy assets that appreciate in value, not depreciate in value. Cars depreciate in value unless they're really rare, like my GT3. It has appreciated in value. But even the GT3 increase in value over the last 4 years still hasn't outperformed the S&P 500. Still hadn't outperformed it. So you could make the case, I could have took that 157, dumped it in the S&P, and by now, probably would have doubled it. Probably would have doubled it. But hey, we make choices in our life that we got to live with. And again, my choice to buy these cars and all the cars that I've purchased was a financial choice I made. Good news for me is I didn't start buying those supercars until I had a level of wealth that could afford me to do it. A lot of us are buying cars. We can't afford them. We're trying to keep up with the Joneses. So guys, do yourself a favor. Multiply that money. Put it in an asset that's going to appreciate in value, not depreciate. Drop me some comments down in the comment box and let me know what you think about me not buying any supercars anymore. Curious to know your feedback on that one. If you want them 12 free stocks from Webull, you got to click on that link down in the description box. Open up that new Webull account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. You can see it in your mind. You can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. And I'm going to catch you on the next video. Peace. Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.